Vue.js is a progressive JavaScript framework used for building interactive web interfaces and single-page applications. It is designed to be incrementally adaptable, meaning developers can use it for small parts of a project or scale it up to build full-fledged applications. Vue focuses on the view layer, making it easy to integrate with existing projects, while also being powerful enough to handle complex front-end development. One of Vue's key features is its reactive data binding, which allows changes in the underlying data to automatically update the user interface. This is achieved through its declarative syntax, making it more intuitive and reducing the need for direct manipulation of the DOM. Vue also uses a component-based architecture, where the UI is broken down into reusable components, improving maintainability and scalability. Vue is known for its simplicity and ease of learning compared to other JavaScript frameworks like React and Angular. Its core library is lightweight, and developers can extend its capabilities using additional libraries for state management, routing, and server-side rendering. This flexibility makes Vue suitable for both small projects and large-scale applications. Another advantage of Vue is its strong community support and detailed documentation, which help developers quickly grasp its concepts. It is widely used in industries ranging from startups to enterprise-level applications, particularly in regions like China, where it has significant adoption. Overall, Vue.js offers a balanced approach between simplicity and performance. Its ease of use, flexibility, and powerful features make it an excellent choice for developers looking to build modern, responsive web applications efficiently